I felt like an F1 driver right here.
Whoa, stop, stop, stop.
We are on our way. We got all the cams set up. Look, we got one right there, one right here, one right there, and then one in Josh's hands right now. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll try to not get pulled over or do anything too dumb. But I think it's gonna be a good time. It took forever to get these GoPro set up, so I hope we get some good footage out of it. Catch y'all soon. All right, you can cut. We're gonna take it easy for the first couple corners, get acclimated to the road.
Watch out for these bikers. Whoa, stop, stop, stop.
Oh shoot. We gotta get out of here, we can't stay here. Are y'all good? Should we let them know? Well, there might be a cop pulling up now. Eating up these corners for breakfast. Dinner now. I mean, yeah, I'm not trying to go too fast. Bunch of traffic. That dude's ripping. Bro driving a boat on here. Driving a boat, the Hellcat. Caught up to them again.
Keep it going. No, keep it going.
Running out of skill. I need a second gear right there. I'm gonna cool it, wait for the homies.
Oh my neighbor's coming. Beamer City.
Beamer Fest!
I don't know why the super honked at me. There it is. I guess he just wanted me out the way. I felt like an F1 driver right here. Back to second. On it.
Keep missing third gear. Definitely don't want to see how much speed I can carry through that corner.
Alright, here are some extra pictures. This is Friday, this is Saturday, and then Sunday before we leave, decided to go on one last send. And I'll just give y'all a second to appreciate this great photo. Alright, now that that's over with, this is on the way back. Dun dun dun. I got pulled over. The officer said something about do care. In other words, he heard me cooking. Gave me a citation for do care. Later I called about it and ended up just being $100. Little slap on the wrist, but I was on my way after that. And yeah, still a great trip, and thanks for watching. Peace.